Okay, I didn't feel comfortable just giving you one example, so I wanted to give you another example and we're gonna walk through it together. So I changed the rules and made them a little bit simpler. Step one to find standard deviation is to find the mean. So here's a set of data from the study guide. 2, 4, 6, 5, 5, 3, 5, 4. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to find the mean. So I want you to pause this video and see if you can find the mean of this set of data. So pause the video. You should have, you're back? Okay, you should have gotten, when you added them all together, you should have gotten 34 divided by the number of numbers that they are. So your mean is 4.25. That's your mean. Okay, hope you got it. So step two is to take, in parentheses, the mean minus every data point squared. So for this first data point, which is 2, I'm going to say, in parentheses, 4.25 minus 2, square it. So 4.25 minus 2 is 2.25, and 2.25 squared is 5.0625. Okay, so that's the first data point. So now I want you to pause this video and work through every single data point and find out what they are. Okay? All right, I hope you paused the video and tried to find out what the data points were. Okay, so when you subtracted it from 4, you got 0.25. 0.25 squared is 0.0625. When you said 6 minus 4.25, you got something, and squared it's 3.0625. And then 5 minus 4.25 is 0.75. 0.75 squared is 0.5625. And 4.25 minus 3 is 1.25. 1.25 squared is 1.5625. So here is every piece of data, but the thing is that, so we did that step. The next step is that you have to add all your answers. So when I add, what you got, buddy? Look what you made. That's a 4-week cover, because it's what is it today? St. Patrick's Day today. Good job, buddy. I like it. Okay, so anyway, when you get all these, I only did the math for like 5 one time. But when I add, I need to remember that I need to add that 3 times. Does that make sense? So pause the video and see what you get when you add all these numbers together. Okay? So when you come back, when you add them all together, it's 11.5. Okay? When you add, now remember, we have to add 5 3 times. You have to add 4 2 times. Make sure you did that. So we get 11.5. So step 4 is divide step 3 by the number of numbers. So there are 8 numbers here. So we have 11.5 divided by 8. So we figure that out. It's 1.4375. And then we do the last step, take the square root. So we take the square root of 1.4375 and it's 1.198. Let's say 1.2. And that is the standard deviation of that set of data, 1.2. All that work to get one answer. So be patient with yourself today. Stay really organized. If you tell yourself, oh, I can just do all this on my calculator, you cannot. You need to have it organized and you need to figure it out. Have a great day. Bye.